Potato Crusader coming at you again. We're doing a little potato harvesting, and this is the other half of the crate that we already harvested, but plant's about done now, and we're just going to see what we get out of this. All right, so we got full-on ant infestation. I thought this was going to happen, but we'll get a close-up on that. Might be a different video now.
Okay, everybody, I know we've been flooded out multiple times and had to deal with poison and the hot heat and all that, but pack it up. It's all over. We're out of here. Pack everything up. Grab the eggs. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay, so that was about a complete failure. The seed potato just had way too much sprouts coming off it, and obviously the ants took over too, but the seed potato was just way too active. We'll check out the next crate. Got about a dozen out of this total, but that was very disappointing.